Hi guys, my name is Greta, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply false eyelashes easily. So this video is especially made for beginners, for those who want to try to use false eyelashes but don't know how to do it, or for those who find it difficult to apply false eyelashes on. So don't worry, I've been there too, but I'll be showing you some techniques that I've tried that really helped me apply false eyelashes easier than what it used to. So stay tuned and I'll show you how. So let's start, guys. So we will be using these lashes from Glam. So this is my go-to brand for eyelashes because it is lightweight, it got hypoallergenic adhesive, and it's also reusable. So from the other brands that I have tried, this is so far the best for me because it is lightweight. Sometimes I don't even notice or I forget that I'm wearing false eyelashes. But so these are affordable ones, and you can buy them from pharmacy stores and other shops. So you can check online on where to buy them, but they are not very expensive and you can reuse them, so it's worth it. So for this brand, for the Glam brand, it comes in a pair and it also comes with a glue, so it's already there, so you just need to apply it, and it's also labeled as right and left, so you won't get confused. However, you can determine it by like so. It got a shorter side, I don't know if you can see, so it got a shorter side and it got a longer side. So the shorter side should go on the inner part of the eye, like here, and the longer one should go at the outer side, so like that. So that's how you know if it's for the right one or for the left. So this is wrong. So for example, if I will put it like this, so the shorter one is on the outer side and the longer one is on the inner side, so it's not right, because otherwise, it won't look natural, because our lashes is shorter here and then longer on the outer side. So there you go. So the first thing that I do, guys, is of course I take off the eyelash from the back, and then I will just gently roll it like that. So this will just make it more rounded, so it will be easier to apply on the eyelid. So I just gently do like that one, and then I will measure. So I will measure from the inner part of my eye to the outer. So some eyelashes, they are too long, so you need to cut it. But for this one, so it's perfect for my eyes, so I don't have to cut it. So if it goes past through there, then you should cut it, because otherwise it won't look natural and it won't look good. So next one, we will be applying the glue now. So for some people, they are more comfortable using a tweezer, but for me, I'm more comfortable using my hands. So what others do is that they use that one like that to apply the eyelash, but for me, I'm more comfortable using my hands, so I will be using my hands, but I will be showing you easier way on how to apply it. So I will be putting now the glue. So I will be applying like not too thick, so just enough. And then I will wait for 30 seconds. So the recommended time is 30 seconds, just to allow it to dry. Alright, so that's 30 seconds, and then I will now apply it on my eyelids. So what I do is, the first technique that I use is, I will apply it from the inner, so from the inner and then outer. So I already applied eyeliner on, so it might be a bit hard for you to see, but I'll try my best. So I will apply it from this side first, so inner side first, and then outer, like that. And then I will just hold it for a few seconds. Like that. See, so inner and then outer. And then after that one, I will press it with my fingers to combine it with my own eyelashes. So that's how it looks like when it's on there. So from inner, you apply inner to outer. So that's the first trick. The other one is, we will be using the other side. Also guys, remember that when you're applying your false eyelashes, always apply it as close to your own eyelashes. That way it will look more natural. So I will be using the other one. So I will just again roll it a bit. There you go. So it's now a bit rounded. And then the other, we'll apply first the glue, of course. So don't apply too much, just apply just enough. Just make sure that you cover like all the areas. So like that one. And then we'll wait again for 30 seconds. Alright, so 30 seconds has gone. So we need to wait for 30 seconds to allow the adhesive to dry a bit, so it will be easier to stick on. So there you go. So the other trick that you can try is, you can apply it like upwards first. So you just apply it upwards like that. So you just hold it with both hands and then apply it like upwards like this, and then just fix it. And then just hold it for a few seconds. And then, so as you can see, it's upward, sorry. And then you can just fix it like that. There you go. So whichever is easier for you guys, so you can try both tricks. whichever you find easier, then you can follow that one. So this is how it will look like when the eyelashes are on. Yes, so this is inner to outer, and then this is you apply upwards, and then you can just fix it after a few seconds and just press it like that to combine it with your own lashes. Now, another tip, guys, is that if you are a monolid like me, I advise you not to curl your own eyelashes before applying the fake one, because otherwise it will be difficult when your own eyelashes are curled. It will be difficult to put the fake eyelashes on because your own lashes will be on the way. So you can just apply mascara afterwards when you have already applied your false eyelashes. But if you are like, if you have a eye fold, then that should not be an issue because there will be a space in between, so you can just put on the fake eyelashes on top. It won't be as hard as if you're a monolid. So guys, just remember that if you don't get it the first time, that's okay. Just try again. Just keep on practicing because eventually you will get the hang of it. So it's reusable anyway, so you can just take it off and apply it again, or take off the dried glue and then apply them again. So always remember, if others can, of course you can also do it. So until then, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Always take care and God bless.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that